guys, welcome back once again in Study Tree. Hope that you all must be studying at home. As you all know and seeing that the weather is changing day by day. So be very careful guys. Okay? And just pay attention on your studies. Hope that you had already made your fair copies of all the subjects, not only for the Hindi and English, for all the subjects. Today we are going to study on exercise 6, describing words, adjectives. Okay, so before starting the video guys, I would like to request you all to come, let's press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Guys, in our previous class we had studied about the adjectives. What are the adjectives? What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which describes, okay, and which describes a noun or a pronoun, or which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, good, new, old, young. These are the examples of adjectives. So here we are going to study about the describing words and adjectives. Well guys, if you have book, so you can open on page number 41. If you don't have book, no problem at all. Okay, you can just download the PDF. All the pages has been scanned along with the homework. Well guys, now guys, I would like to request you once again to please guys carry on watching the video, full video, without skipping. Well guys, now come page number 41. On page number 41 has been given, choose suitable words from the box. The box has been given here. Few examples I have given here. Okay, choose suitable words from the box to describe the nouns. To describe the nouns given below. The options has been given here: cheerful, tall, tasty, curly, and new. Okay, these are examples of adjectives. Well guys, here fill in the blanks. We have to do dash food, dash hair, this one, okay, dash dress, dash pillar, dash babies. Well guys, so first one is food. Okay, come, let's try. Cheerful, food, we have to fill in the blanks. Dash food, cheerful, tall, tasty, curly, new. Tasty food, okay, because we all love tasty food. Well guys, tasty food. Okay, second is hair. Okay, how is your hair? Okay, cheerful, tall, tasty has been completed, so I have ticked it here. Cheerful, tall, curly, new. New hair? No, curly hair. Okay, the curly base like this, the curly hair base like this. Well guys, okay, so curly, C-U-R-L-Y, curly hair. Okay, I have ticked here. Now, what's left? Cheerful, tall, and new is left. Well guys, dash dress, cheerful, tall, new. Yes, new dress. Okay, do you have a new dress guys? How many dresses you have? How many dresses you have? New? Yes. Recently your mummy papa must have bought for you. It's holiday. New dress. Well, new dress. Well, okay, I have ticked. What's left? Cheerful and tall is left. Okay, so dash pillar. Cheerful pillar or tall pillar? Cheerful pillar or tall pillar? Yes, very good. Tall pillar. Very good. T-A-L-L. Tall pillar. Tall is completed. Now, dash baby, cheerful baby. Do you have in your locality cheerful baby? Yes, very good. Cheerful babies. Well guys, now come, let's start our exercise of exercise 6. Okay, page number is mentioned here, page number 41. Just if you have book, just open on exercise 6, describing words are adjectives. Come, let's get started. Well guys, come, let's go through this example 7. Okay, I have mentioned it here. Try your level best to note it down in your fair copy. Okay, adjectives, I have mentioned it here. Okay, what is an adjective? What is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about the noun. Okay, here I have mentioned adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns. Okay. For example, I have written here, Anita has a new dress. Which kind of dress Anita has? She has a new dress. So new will be my adjectives here. Well guys, next, Reena has a sweet voice. How has Reena's voice? How is Reena's voice? She has a sweet voice. So sweet will be my adjectives here. Well, next is Tarun has a black car. Which type of car does Tarun have? Tarun has a black car. So black will be my adjectives here. Okay. Pen is old. How is the pen? Pen is old. It is a old pen. Next, Geeta is a sweet girl. Which type of Geeta is? She is a sweet girl. So sweet will be my adjectives here. Next, Hari has a funny story. Which type of story does Hari? Hari has a funny story. Okay, so funny will be my adjectives here. Next, the dog is naughty. Which type of dog it is? It is a naughty dog. So naughty will be my adjectives here. Well guys, so these are the few examples of describing words. Okay, adjectives. New, sweet, black, old, sweet, funny and naughty are examples of adjectives. Okay guys, any problem? If you have any problem, then you can ask me through the comment box. Okay guys, now come, let's go through the next page. Well guys, on page number 43, add an adjective to describe the nouns in each sentences. Examples has been given here for you. Okay, new, small, strong, great, old, kind. Okay, new, small, strong, great, old and kind. Okay, now first question is here. Mother Teresa was a very dash lady. Can I get a dash dress for my birthday? Look at the dash bird, he exclaimed. Sachin Tendulkar is a dash batsman. I found a very dash coin. There is a dash wind outside, said Raj. Okay, now come, let's try to fill in the blanks. The options has been given here. Okay, Mother Teresa was a very new, small, strong, great, old, kind. Kind lady. Mother Teresa was a very kind lady. K-I-N-D. Kind lady. I have ticked here. Okay. Next. Can I get a dash dress for my birthday? New, small, strong, great, old. Do you ask your parents old dress or new dress for your birthday? New. Well, so can I get a new dress for my birthday? New has been completed. Next, look at the dashboard, he exclaimed. Small, strong, great, old. Okay, so small bird. Okay, small. Look at the small bird. S-M-A-L-L. Small bird. He exclaimed. Next, Sachin Tendulkar is a dash batsman. What's left? Strong, great, old. So what will be? Can anyone say? Strong, great, old. Sachin Tendulkar is a dash batsman. Yes, great batsman. Great. G-R-E-A-T. Great batsman. Very good. Now what's left? Strong and old is left. Okay. I found a very dash coin. Strong or old? Yes, old. I found a very old coin. Okay, what's left? Strong is left. There is a strong wind outside, said she. Okay, said Raj. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. So, this is completed. Okay, now come, let's go once again. Mother Teresa was a very kind lady. Can I get a new dress for my birthday? Look at the small bird, he exclaimed. Sachin Tendulkar is a great batsman. I found a very old coin. There is a strong wind outside, said Raj. Okay, so these words kind, new, small, great, old and strong. These words are example of describing words. That is your adjectives. Okay. Now come. Let's go to the last page. Well guys, now on page 45. Page 45. If you have book, just open on page 45. Question, it's very easy guys. Okay. Match the opposite words. You have to match the opposite words given below. Okay. The words have been given here and the opposite words has been given here. Full, heavy, far, short, wide, dirty, hot, young, light, narrow, tall, old, empty, near, clean, cold. Okay, now come, let's match the following. Match the opposite word. I have mentioned it here. Guys, this is the answer here. The answer has been given here. Okay, the words has been given and the opposite word has been given here for you. Words has been given here and the opposite has been given here. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite words has been given here. Okay, now come. Full. What will be the opposite of full guys? Light, narrow, tall, old, empty, near, clean, cold. The opposite of full is empty. Okay, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Okay, next is, the next word is here heavy. The next word here is heavy. So the opposite word of heavy is light. Okay, light, the cotton is light. Okay, L-I-G-H-T, light. You have to remember this guys. Okay, next is far. The opposite of far is near. The opposite word of far is near. N-E-A-R, near. N-E-A-R, near. Next word is short. The opposite of short is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay. Next is wide. The opposite of wide is narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. Okay. Next is dirty. The opposite of dirty is clean. Okay. What is the spelling of clean? Clean is spelling C-L-E-A-N. Very good. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Next is hot. The opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D. C-O-L-D. Cold. Last is young. The opposite of young is old. Okay. The opposite of young is old. Okay. So come. Let's review it. Full, empty, heavy, light, far, near, short, tall, wide, narrow, dirty, clean, hot, cold, young, old. So these words are opposites of the words given here. Okay, so these are the examples of the describing words guys. Okay, all these words: full, empty, heavy, light, far, near, short, tall, wide, narrow, dirty, clean, hot, cold, young, old. These are all describing words. These are examples of adjectives. Okay, so everything has been completed guys of this chapter. Okay, hope that you all enjoyed a lot and learned something good. Okay guys, your work is to please guys note it down all in the fair copy in a good writing. Okay, whenever school opens guys, we are going to check your copy. Okay, so please parents, if parents are watching the video, I would like to request you all to please help your children, help your child to note it down all in the fair copy along with the date. Okay guys, least but not last, I would like to request you once again to please subscribe, press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Well guys, and share my channel guys. Okay, if any problem you are facing, Bloomfield International School's teachers are always standing beside you and your children. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please guys, I would like to request you all to please go to the comment box and mention your name. If you mention your name, your attendance automatically will be done here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Have a good day. Thank you very much guys.